Hello, how to evaluate this with our calculator? We have 600 power 3 minus 500 power 3. We are going to make use of two different methods. The first method is to express this as in terms of 6 times 100. We have 600 is 6 times 100 raised to the power of 3 minus 500 is 5 times 100 raised to the power of 3. Now, remember, if you have A times B raised to the power of C, this equals A power C times B power C. We have 6 power 3 times 100 power 3. We are distributing these powers to each of the terms there. We do the same thing here. Minus 5 power 3 times 100 power 3. From here, 100 power 3 and 100 power 3 are common. We factor that out. We have 100 power 3 times this divided by 100 power 3. We have 6 power 3 minus this divided by 100 power 3. We have 5 power 3. So 6 power 3 equals 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6, 36, 36 times 6. We have 36 times 6. 6 times 6, 36, 6 carry over 3. 6 times 3, 18 plus 3, that is 21, 216. We have 100 power 3 times is 216. 5 power 3 equals 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 35 times 5, this is 125. Minus 125. From here, we have 100 power 3 times 216 minus 125. That's 91. So this is just like writing 91 times 100 power 3. From here, we have 91 times 100 is 10 power 2 raised to the power of 3. Now, remember, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. We multiply this out. So we are simply going to have this equals 91 times 10 power 6. Now, we can also express this 91 in standard form. We move it one step, that is 9.1 times 10 power 1 times 10 power 6. And remember, if you have a power n, then a power m equals a power n plus n. When the bases are the same, there's multiplication sign, you add the powers. This will give you 9.1 times 10 power 1 plus 6. This equals 9.1 times 10 power 7. So this is our answer, 9.1 times 10 power 7 as our answer using this first method. Let's consider the second method, method 2. In this method 2, we are going to make use of cubic expansion method. We have 600 power 3 minus 500 power 3. Power 3 here, there's minus here. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2, right? And what is our a? 600, our b is 500. So let's do that. We are going to have a minus b, 600 minus 500 times a squared, 600 power 2 plus ab, 600 times 500 plus b squared, 500 power 2. From here, 600 minus 500, this is 100 times 6 squared, that is 36. We have 36, 4 zeros, plus 6 times 5, 30. That will give you 30 plus 4 zeros. We have 30, 4 zeros. Then we have plus 5 squared, 25. We have 25, 4 zeros. You see me? So from here, we have 100 times 30 4 zeros, 25 4 zeros, 36 4 zeros. This plus this will simply give you That is 55,000. 55,000 plus 30,000 will give you 85,000 plus 6,000 is 36,000. So plus the 6,000 is 360,000, sorry. 300,000 plus 250,000 will give you 550,000. Then plus 360,000 will give you 910,000. Or you can add it this way. 30 plus 25, like I did earlier on, that is 55. 55 plus 36, that will give you 91. So you have 91. All of them have 4 zeros. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So you multiply this out. This will give you 91. 4 zeros plus extra 2 zeros. So what is this in standard form? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9.1 times 10 power 7. You have it here again. So in any of the methods that you want to use, you have 9.1 times 10 to the power of 7. You see me? So this is how you can solve this problem without the use of calculator, step by step. So that is, thank you and goodbye.